are you? How have you been? I miss you. I'm gonna make you smile. I know I can make you smile. Here we go. This is a frying pan with 3 pieces of French toast and 2 eggs, but it's an iPhone case. Isn't that the funniest case you've ever seen? I just can't get over it. It is so cute. Then I have this other one. It hangs on by this little pillow, and you can unhook it, and it's a little bear. It's very, very comfortable in your hands. And when you're laying down, you could rest it, and it's got a little pillow. So cute. I have one other one. Oh, look at this. This is gummy bears, and with the pop socket, and the gummy bears, there's gummy bears in there, fake gummy bears, but they rattle around. Look at that. Is that the cutest? So cute. Yeah, these, I'm just having fun with these. Life is too short not to laugh. I gotta laugh. I must laugh, and I must love. I must laugh, and I must love. So, that's what I'm doing. Okay. I have to show you the newest thing I bought for my kitchen. It is an air fryer, and you can cook everything in it. You could grab one little piece of chicken. You can grab chicken wings, chicken thighs. You can grab steak. You can put hot dog. You can put potatoes, French fries. Boom, boom, boom. Everything cooks fast and easy cleanup. Okay, so the reason why I used to have an air fryer like this. It was very big. It was when I was living in my bigger home in Vegas. And I loved it. It broke twice. I rebought it. So now my kitchen's small in my little condo. So I had to buy a smaller unit. And I bought about 8 of them until I settled on the one that I wanted, because aesthetically it had to please me. So I would take them out of the box, put them on a counter, put them over this counter, that counter, and then I returned 7 of them, and I kept 1. So when I replaced my stove with the oven, it had an air fryer in it. When I moved here, I had to replace my stove, and I bought one that had the air fryer. So I used it. By using it all the time, my oven was constantly getting dirty. And it took me a week to clean the oven, because, you know, you have to dig inside, and you have to go upside down, and you have to go sideways, and you have to scrub, and it was too much. I said, I'm going back to the regular air fryer. So I bought the one that's very, very, very easy with the knobs. And I keep it plugged in, but I turn the heat all the way down. And if there's still time on the timer, I leave the drawer open. It is perfect. I just love, love, love this one. Aesthetically, it's so cute, and I just love the knobs. I did not want to have a digital keypad. I just want to turn the knobs. Hot dog, turn the knobs, you know. So, all right, I'm going to show you all of them, but I want to tell you about this. This is a refill for the SOFTYMO facial cleanser that I rave about, and I am raving, now that I've used both the pink and the yellow, I like this yellow one the best. And this is only a refill. You could buy the whole bottles, but if you buy it, get the yellow. And I'll put the link down below with prices to help you navigate for your shopping. I always put prices. I think it's much easier, because if it's not the right price, you won't even bother going in there. Oh, also, speaking of kitchen things, I bought and tasted this Barilla Protein Plus Angel Hair Pasta, and I'm going back to get every kind of pasta they have, as long as it says Classic Pasta Taste. It has to say Classic Pasta Taste. That's the difference. They have pea pasta, they have lentil pasta, they have chickpeas pasta. All their pastas are made out of different beans and legumes. And the one that says classic pasta taste is the one that you could never tell it was a protein pasta. I figured while I'm eating pasta, sometimes I go, I need to get my protein. And if I don't have any protein cooked, I could just eat the pasta because it's protein in it. That I love, 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 love. All right. On with the show. I'm going to show you all the air fryers that I bought, and I'll show you what they look like when I return them in my wagon, and then I'll show you the one that I kept. So here we go. So after doing my research, the Ninja and the Instant Pot both won. So first I was looking at this white Instapot, and then I was looking at the red one, and these are 2 quarts. Then the blue one and the black one. I also looked at this 4-quart one. Now I was looking into 4-quart instead of 2 quarts. And this Cherokee was my cutest pick. I thought this is really, really a cute one. Kind of looked like a coffee maker. But I actually bought the one on the right. So this was the actual winner. It's the Instant Essentials 4-quart air fryer from Instant Pot. And it crisps. It has all the technology that you need and only has 2 knobs. I just thought this was the most aesthetically pleasing for my kitchen. So I made zucchini fries. And I made spring rolls, and I talked my neighbor into getting one, so we've been sharing a lot of things that we buy. She gives me some spring rolls. I give her, in fact, that's hers. She bought a different one than I did. And then I even made toast, and I made grilled cheese. And look, it looks like Mickey. There's the zucchini fries, and there's chicken drums, little drumettes, and that's the grease that you get inside. Oh, she air fried her apples. And this is a big bag of party wings, chicken wings, and I've also bought coconut shrimps, and you just throw it in. And a lot of foods now say air fryer directions on it. I will take a few. Place them in there. Okay. Turn the temperature and turn it on. Start with 10 minutes. And this is me returning a whole bunch of them to Kohl's in their little wagon. Yeah, I was fumbling and juggling the air fryers as I was bringing them in. So if you're on the fence, the one I bought is fabulous. It's on sale. It's cheap price. It works beautiful. I use it every day, and I just love it. I hope that helped to make a decision for you. And if you already have one, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. You know I love you. I'm here for you. My email's down below if you ever need me. And thank you for being here for me. And in case you need a smile, just look at this. Oh, and you must go over to TikTok and check out my posts on TikTok. It's a lot of fun. Oh, before I say goodbye, the reason why I love TikTok is the music. The app does not prevent you from using copyrighted music. You are allowed to use all the hot, hit, cool new songs. And they're quick sound bites. They're like 25 seconds. And it just gets you in a good mood. It really, really does. And that's what I want for you. I want to get you in a good mood. So Have a nice day. Have a great night, a great day, a great week. I'll see you in my next video. And remember, I love you. Mwah!